Where is the fuse box located in the 2023 Nissan Murano, and how can you identify the correct fuses? In this guide, we will explore the fuse box diagram, locations and functions to help you troubleshoot electrical issues effectively. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2023 Nissan Murano houses essential fuses and relays for major vehicle systems, including the engine and headlights. It is protected by a plastic cover to prevent dust and moisture from affecting the components. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2023 Nissan Murano controls interior electrical functions like lighting, power windows, and infotainment. It is compact and located beneath the dashboard for easy access.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.